This week, the shop's hard at work manufacturing our Precision Taper Jig. So let's take a behind-the-scenes look into how they're made. Starting at a state-of-the-art laser cutter, sheets of stainless steel are loaded into the machine. The laser carefully cuts the indexing pivot, then plate. Immediately after, the pivots and plates are cleaned up. The indexing pivots are then bent and blasted for our proprietary satin finish. Aluminum rods are then turned on a CNC lathe to make the clamping handles. Heading over to the engraving department, the indexing plates arrive and are laser engraved with scale markings. Anodized aluminum track extrusions are laser engraved as well with our Woodpeckers logo. The Precision Taper Jigs are finishing up in production and will be shipped soon, so stay tuned for more production updates.